Hello guys, welcome to the another video of AC Tech channel. In today's video, I will explain you how to enable your camera on Snapchat. For this, you have to go on the Snapchat icon in your phone. Down here, you can see you just have to simply press on the Snapchat icon. You can see here are many options available like App Info, Remove, Uninstall. Here, you have to click on the App Info option. From here, you just have to scroll down. You can see here's the another option of permission. You just have to simply click on it. From here, you can see there are many options like I have allowed phone, but I haven't allowed camera, contact, location, microphone, storage. We have to allow only camera. So I'm clicking on the camera option. From here, you can allow only using the app or asking every time when you open a Snapchat or don't allow. I'm doing it allow only when using the app. Now, hope you liked the video. Thank you.